If you're using Salesforce, you work with tons of data from an organization, from users, from customers, from CRM. With so many data streams, mistakes are expected to happen. But these mistakes often lead you to lose money. And that is not something I want for you or for your business. So let me tell you about 4 data management mistakes you must avoid in Salesforce to maximize revenue. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey, your Salesforce Hulk. Today, I'll be talking about the 4 mistakes that every Salesforce user should avoid while managing large sets of data. So, without wasting any time, let's dive right in. Suppose you're leading a sales team at a consumer goods company. Every day, dozens of new leads pour in for your products. A customer Ria chats with Agentforce on the website about bulk orders while also filling out a form through an email journey. Now, there are 2 records of Ria's information, and chances are that you have 2 team members sending 2 different emails to Ria. Not an ideal situation, right? Duplicate records do this all the time. They waste hours of your team's time, wreck your reporting, and your potential customers have to deal with conflicting messages. So, how can you avoid this mistake? The fix is simple. You have to use an inbuilt detective for your data. Plauti Deduplicate can be that detective for you. It scans new and existing records in real time as well as regular intervals to identify duplicates using fuzzy, phonetic, and exact matching. You can use the find and merge feature to remove duplicates in large datasets, whether they are in leads, contacts, accounts, standard objects, or custom objects, all within your Salesforce Hulk. Besides this, you can use Plauti AI merge recommendations to get suggestions for right field values depending on the context. This makes the process much simpler and decision making faster. That's a really helpful tip, right? Now moving on to mistake number 2. What if while removing Ria's duplicate records, you end up deleting another customer's records? Don't worry, I get it. Data loss can be stressful and you need an undo button to retrieve these lost records. Plauti Restore is that undo button. It can instantly bring back anything from custom fields and relationships in just a few seconds. Any accidental update, deletion, insert, or merge can be restored all while you are in control. So you don't need to panic over lost data again. Now, our mistake number 3 is something that most admins make. Always relying on static assignment rules. The minute you secure that lead data, the clock starts ticking. Every second counts in sales, but your representatives are struggling with an unfair workload. Meanwhile, leads like Ria, who have a higher chance of conversions, are sitting idle. Handoffs are missed, reps get demotivated, and your speed to lead tanks. All of this is happening because your lead assignment rules are not up to date. So you need something more flexible and adaptable. Plauti Assign gives you this flexibility and prevents you from committing yet another mistake. With Plauti Assign, this stressful situation would never even occur. You can set assignment rules based on whatever criteria you choose. Geography, deal size, agent availability, etc. and never have to worry again. It is your smart dispatcher that knows every rep's current load, their skill set, their location, and availability. It automatically routes each lead to the right rep automatically. This means faster follow-ups and higher conversions. Plus, you get complete visibility to track everything in one place. Like how much time is a user spending on handling requests. Lastly, let's talk about mistake number 4, which is actually pretty common. I'm sure many of you have skipped data validation until it's too late. Let me know in the comments if you've ever made this mistake. So, how can you make sure each piece of information coming into your CRM is verified? For example, while filling out the form, Ria could be using a disposable email address or miss out a few digits of her phone number. Well, you need a validation tool that verifies and formats everything as you type. Plauti Verify does exactly this. and that too on the lead or contact page itself. It not only checks if the email looks correct from the format, but also checks the DNS, ensures that the address is valid and complete. It detects any errors in your recorded data by flagging spam information, ensures that your emails land in the right inboxes. Phone calls connect and direct mail reaches the right doors. You can also revalidate records on a schedule to maintain data accuracy over time. But wait. What about the wrong contact data when Ria is chatting with Agentforce? Well, now you can validate information right inside Agentforce using Plauti Agentforce, which works with Plauti Verify. It powers your agents with data management actions, starting with emails and phone number validation. It helps you avoid the final mistake in data management, all while keeping your data as your only source of truth. So, those were 4 mistakes that I wanted you all to know about, along with the fixes to avoid them. Now, you must be wondering why I suggested Plauti everywhere as a solution. Well, Plauti is a whole package in a single platform that benefits not only sales teams but also marketing, revenue, customer experience, and yes, actually, we could also say it benefits the customers and the entire organization. It helps you manage your customers' life cycle from form signups to conversions with its 360-degree data management solutions. Check it out from the link in the description and experience the magic yourself. That was all from me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to Salesforce Hulk for more such videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.